I didn't dream to be much. I just wanted to mirror an image what I saw with my parents.
I came from the cotton fields of Alabama. I had a very difficult life.
As a child of an entrepreneur, period, doesn't matter what it is, your parents are always on call, 24 hours on call.
It was a little lonely, not having little kids like me around, but I am grateful for the things that I did learn and for the friendships I was able to develop with my family along the way.
I whipped my Jeep up on the sidewalk, jumped out, said, "Hey, sweetie, may I have the pleasure of knowing your name?"
The love and support of these very special people have kept me together and propelled me and motivated me to do more and more and more every day.
The Holy Spirit let me know I was to quit my job. So I quit and started to work for Him the next day.
Vision is for a better community of women, and I'm excited about that. Freedom. I want them to feel love. I want them to feel valued. I want them to feel that when they open up the container, they put the product in their hands and they put it on their head. I want them to feel what we put inside of them.